back, fall back. Catapult, fall back, guys, fall back. Catapult, fall back.
Назад или вперед?
Stay in circle.
They're coming from the homestead. They're coming from the home.
Guys, they are use bugging. They are use bugging. We're gonna just report them, and that's all. That's all. Good job, everybody. That was fun.
Not going to work.
They're gonna get all
It's
banned,
not going
guys.
to
They're
work.
all gonna get banned.
Everyone, dinner break if you guys want. Go back, get some stamina.
It's good, guys. We destroyed them, and like they tried to use bug. That's all. That's all.
Magic, проснись. Щит подними.
Wait, if the blueprints are up, they can't. If the blueprints are up, they can't archer us. Why aren't we just absolutely rushing the shit out of them?
Because you can't archer for
Food on the ground, food here. Come eat food. Good food.
Oh, merci.
Я отхожу за едой. Персона, меняй.
Stop running in front.
One more food here, one more food. Last food here.
Merci. Là.
Спасибо.
The fuck are you talking about?
Don't blame the players, blame the game, man. Dev's gotta fix
Oh, we blame the game, bro.
Мальчики, хочешь,
I mean,
чтобы было
blame the players
красивее,
as well,
делай
sorry.
как все.
We blame the players.
Oh, I got shot in the forehead. Kill him. Kill him.
Jesus is dead. Get him.
Murder him.
I got him!
Gangbang.
I got the final blow!
Build wall.
Steal his shit. Steal his shit.
Get the next one.
Did he have any armor?
Чисто спросить дорогу.
We don't need to make one big, huge wall. We can make like 2 or 3 shields wall on the left side on the road.
Блин, было бы хорошо взять их типа в кольцо, если что-то будет произойти. Возможно,
Some people on the road. Few more shields on the road.
Ну не
Shield up,
пойдут,
boys.
то
I
нормально.
am proud.
Oh, the devil here!
On the left, on our left, on the left flank, left flank.
Ну не убегают, начинают.
Someone kill that guy? Gonna swing? Swing?
Stay on your
Hey,
positions.
get on the line, get on the line,
Don't
get
be
on this line, guys.
Ignore the runners.
Tighten up, tighten up.
Head on, head on.
Come back. We're coming back. We're coming back, guys.
За 2 дня для чего пошли, поехали. Ребят, приближайте более. Вставай.
Dogkin, you're getting hit. Dogkin, you're getting hit. You've been hit 3 times. Dogkin, you've been hit.
Go back.
And there goes Dogkin.
Catapult's coming back now.
Yeah, apparently it was one guy who was spamming BPs and everyone fucking yelled at him.
To be fair, it's a game mechanic that needs to be fixed, Hunter.
It's not
good
a
to
game
know about
mechanic.
it. Devs need
It's
to
not
be
a
yelled
game
at about it.
mechanic, it's a blatant exploit, it's not a game mechanic.
No, that's my point. As in, it's a mechanic that needs to be fixed.
Which one?
Okay,
They
one.
have to throw down blueprints when we're
It's
out
the
of
same issue
catapult
in
range.
Foxhole.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but it's more important in this game. In Fox,
Yeah,
it's
but
cheap
don't,
to kill those
don't
blueprints.
panic about that. I just see a dev. They already witnessed what is happening.
Yeah, exactly. It's good that the devs.
Saudo, put your shield above your head.
Foxhole, it's used to block artillery damage on bunker cores. I'd say it's pretty impactful in Foxhole as well.
Yeah, but I just see a dev. So they're seeing those fight right now.
Like pagans are about to join now to fight.
Hi, Mark for.
That was not Marford, that was crazy. I think.
Да, в Фоксхолле уже бы, блядь, мясные штурмы бы были, тут поле бы усеяно бы трупами. Это бы выглядело так, чуваки просто подбирают меч, заточку, идут под ребро, тыкают. По новой, пока заточка не сломается.
Holy crap.
J'aime beaucoup ce que je vois.
Ouais, t'es bien, hein?
You all guys are beautiful.
Moji, stand behind the front line, put your shield above your head.
Фоксхолл симулятор. Фоксхолл это
OG, Umbrella duty.
один способ симулятора, как умереть, блин.
Can I have a few more guys on this right side, please?
Да.
Thank you.
They take the tower. Get ready.
Saudo, hold
Aiming
down
the
right
wall.
click.
Soon the hole gonna be.
Saudo. Thank you.
Fucking ancient. Do your work right. Oh.
Yo, how much do you bench?
Lads. You will never get in the town, you swear it, lads.
Saudo, you put away your shield
Блядь,
again.
поебал, попали.
Just hold right click.
You burned all your homes, lads.
Hey, come down, pirate man.
Oh, he's fucking.
Road group, rotate left a bit. Rotate left.
Oh, there they go
Not,
again.
not too
The
hard.
BPs
Yeah,
back.
like this. Great, brilliant. Love you so much.
Можно меня заменить?
Hey, very cringe, Remnants. Very cringe. You are spamming
Тебя
blueprints.
заменил,
Very
но я
cringe.
уже...
Scappy, put your press X.
There's a breach in the hole. There's a breach. Oh, no, not yet.
Say again.
Not yet.
Sharms, fall back.
Давайте он дейдал заменит 100%. Да, хуй там.
Guys, if we push up just slightly, they can stop building. They can't build if we push up just a little bit.
No. We're gonna get wrecked by the archer. Don't push. I know.
The blueprint again.
People who need food, come back to the back.
Aim a bit more to the right.
You're just gonna lose stuff. Right now, we just wait.
People who need food, come to the horse for food.
Blueprints. He's placing blueprints. Aim a bit to the right, dude. You're hitting a blueprint. You're gonna hit nothing except blueprints. Aim a bit to the right.
If you're naked,
Сейчас, как это
People are
неправильно,
in there now.
почему-то мы осаждаем только с одной стороны.
Yeah, that's it. Just a little bit to the right.
Yeah, we need people to suicide run in just to stop them from being able to build the BPs.
Осада
Like, take all
осаждается
your
с
armor off
одной
and
стороны.
just run in.
Just let them spam the blueprints. They're gonna get banned, probably.
No, keep firing. You're not able to.
No, they might not get banned because it's not against the EULA, but the devils.
Anybody who needs food, come to the horse. There's a bag beside me with some berry bars. Come get your
Listen,
snacks.
when we have an all, we might push. So get ready
Check your
to.
health. If you need health, come eat some food. It's like 5 left. Come grab a piece of food, guys.
Что? Кто меня звал?
Вперед, ну, в линию.
If you need food, we have a lot of them. You can just back. If
You're eating me, Dodgekin. What are you doing?
Яжечники бегут за спиной у нас.
Yeah,
Guys, don't kill the spotter.
Stupid.
Stay in a line. Ignore the runners.
Мы такими темпами, если будем ставить, то...
Hey, Viking.
У нас что?
Viking.
Износом.
Come here, Rocky. I got something for you. Take this one.
Should do to
It's more fitting with your name.
Что-то не очень-то изнашивается.
Give me a spear.
That's why I put my bow and arrow down. You can't hit shit.
Скорее просто с этого, получается, с запада. Сейчас к нему.
Да, у нас урон просто
Супер.
по чуть-чуть.
Как выбросить предмет?
Spear.
If their only recourse is
Так,
take
потом
it,
про...
torches.
Put your shield above your head.
Сейчас я покушу как раз.
Press X,
I think this angle it's all direct fire.
Ой, покушать закончилось.
Yeah.
We have more arrows delivered to the back camp if anybody needs arrows.
Yours, my gonna flank. You ready?
That's fine.
You kill now.
Il y a même pas besoin de recharger, mec. Tu mets juste la charrette à droite du rechargeur.
Oui, c'est ce que j'avais dit, la charrette à côté, le mec spam et ça.
Spam is so toxic.
Don't blame the players.
I just heard them saying something about.
Oh no, wait, yeah, it's been reported.
Don't report the players. Report the devs.
Broke through.
Guys, anybody got food? Anybody with food, please?
Yeah.
Ouais,
Who needs
tiens,
food?
sur moi.
Si t'en veux plus,
Ну там дыра, блядь, в нее бы залететь.
Бандоид.
Высаживать ребеночка под сердцем.
Съесть место.
There's a hole.
Yeah, we gotta wait for it to get a bit bigger. Gotta wait for it. No, we need it to be a
Там
bit
чего
bigger.
своих поубивали
Because we're gonna
просто
get
случайно.
bottlenecked too hard. So
Резали
we can't
нашего и
make it a
друг
bit
друга
bigger.
поубивали.
Викинг, капо не слишком большой.
break the shield line. Don't break the shield line.
Соловей, сколько мы еще планируем так
Bevali, get behind me.
Это просто дыра, в нее реально бы
Да, думаю,
зайти.
где-то
просто
Siege
без
ladders,
ног.
get up there. Did we bring in siege
Переломать
ladders?
хребет чувакам пополам.
Hold the line, guys. Let the guys close to the catapult. Так по итогу мы должны будем штурмануть замок.
Мы походу его сносим под ноль, я не знаю, что.
Maybe hit to the right a bit more so we don't hit that staircase.
Надеемся, все получится.
Any archers? There's 10 arrows on the ground right here.
Ой, там пехота 6 землекопов, основное это лучники. Просто залететь, реально поломать им пополам их челюсть. Знаешь,
No
тоже
panic,
как
people. As soon we can, we're gonna push. But right now we just wait.
Сука. Это знаешь, как фокс-холи, там обычно сумса просто стоят, типа стреляют, а в атаку не идут, хотя идеально возможно. Тут надо просто встать, крикнуть, блять, все в чарж, нахуй.
Oh my god, the pagan pushing them. They have a task. People pushing them.
Столько, сколько мы сейчас.
War correspondent.
Не, ну вот я говорю, то есть фокс-холи, он самое главное.
Guys, I am the spotter.
Просто
Behind you, I'm the spotter.
крикнуть, пошли в чарж. Это все, в принципе, потому что люди
One
ссутся
more
пойти в
war,
чарж.
one more war, and then we bust in.
Yeah, or speed, yeah.
Ладно, ладно,
Идите,
пусть.
парни.
Go ahead and grab it.
Hello, Mr. Pagans.
Надеемся на поганцев еще, что они там шоруха наведут.
Хотя бы
Peek into the west is getting attacked.
No, no, vodka.
C'est trop court.
Vodka.
Je sais, c'est cool, c'est cool, c'est cool, c'est déjà cool.
Looks like it's handled, honestly.
Is that the traitorous vodka?
I had to sacrifice him.
Don't kill Pagan,
No, that was a
Это не тот вот.
It's
Да,
friendly. Autocount vodka or is that a friendly vodka?
Not kill Pagans.
это.
Oh my god, how much they are.
Knights, go
Yes,
behind
we're gonna-
Cappy.
Listen, we're gonna do something, but not right now. We just have to wait the
No,
catapult to
kill
do more
Pagan,
damage.
get
Just
into
wait.
the lights.
Do you like
No kill
psychos of
Pagans.
Pagans, huh?
Oh, kill Pagans.
Ram's blocking it. Go round.
Wait, say again. It's claimed. Family claimed. Family claimed. Okay, nice.